Hey, I know what it's like giving up your favorite food. And for a while, my favorite food was cheese. By giving up cheese and going plant-based, I got rid of all my seasonal allergies. Yay, this is really good. I did not miss the cheese. But now occasionally, I think about it. I really like Tex-Mex food. So today I want to tell you about this new cheese sauce. I call it the upgraded cheese sauce that I've just discovered. Guess what? We're going to use oats. We're going to turn this voila, into this, okay? And I cannot stop eating this sauce. Let's get to it. Let's get to the video. Here are all the ingredients, and they are listed below this video. Once you've gathered all your ingredients, you can just dump them into a blender. If you cannot find roasted red bell peppers, you can roast them on a stovetop or in your oven. It's recommended that you use a high-speed blender such as a Vitamix that will blend the ingredients until they're hot and steamy. The liquid smoke is optional. I did not use it in my first recipe and I loved it just as much. As noted in the recipe, I made a few additions. I added garlic powder, salsa, and paprika for the added spiciness that I really enjoy. If you don't have a high-speed blender, you can use any blender and just transfer to the stovetop. If it becomes too clumpy, an immersion blender can help out. Now it's time to use this cheese sauce. Did I mention that this recipe contains practically no fat at all? So just pour it on everything. Some nachos, an over chili and rice, yum! And here's a quesadilla I made for my husband, a bean and cheese quesadilla. How about a quinoa and bean bowl or cheesy fries? And let's not forget the Tex-Mex cheesy casserole. The link is below.
Ooh yeah.